What's up, everyone? Today I want to tell you about a platform called Uber AI Solutions and break down exactly how it works and whether it's worth checking out if you're looking for a legitimate way to earn money online by training AI. As always, this is about real and proven opportunities that people are actually using to earn extra money, so you can decide if it's worth your time. If you like this type of content, then make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description to support the channel. So what is Uber AI Solutions? Most people know Uber as the company behind ride-sharing and food delivery. But what many people don't realize is that Uber has expanded into the artificial intelligence industry through a platform called Uber AI Solutions. Originally, Uber built massive AI systems for its own business to improve things like maps, routing, translations, customer support, fraud detection, and autonomous vehicle technology. Over time, the company realized that the same infrastructure could be used to help other businesses build AI models as well. That's what eventually led to the creation of Uber AI Solutions. Today, Uber AI Solutions connects companies with people who have specialized skills to complete AI-related work. Instead of driving passengers or delivering food, contributors can earn money by helping train AI systems. One thing that makes this platform interesting is that Uber is leveraging many of the systems it already built for its rideshare business, including identity verification, payments, and workforce management, to support this new type of flexible online work. Now let's talk about the kinds of work available. According to Uber, contributors may evaluate AI-generated responses to determine which answer is more accurate, helpful, or natural. Other opportunities involve translating and reviewing content, testing software products and new features, labeling datasets, or completing other specialized AI tasks based on your experience and background. Unlike some AI training platforms that mainly focus on image annotation or search engine evaluation, Uber AI Solutions is trying to match contributors with work that aligns with their existing expertise. That means someone with experience in law, finance, healthcare, software development, or languages may qualify for more specialized projects than someone with no professional background. Now let's talk about how much you can make. One thing I like is that Uber AI Solutions says that opportunities display the expected pay before you accept them, so you know what you'll earn before starting a task. However, the company doesn't publish a standard hourly rate because compensation depends on the project, your qualifications, and the complexity of the work. Payments are generally processed weekly for completed and approved work. From my research, I did find out that they offer high-paying jobs even if this new platform has been chaotic for their workers. There are reports that some pay rates range between $50 to $150 an hour. As with every AI training platform I've covered on this channel, I think it's important to have realistic expectations. Some contributors may qualify for higher paying specialized projects, while others may only see occasional opportunities. This should be viewed as a way to earn supplemental income rather than something guaranteed to replace a full-time job. So is Uber AI Solutions legit? The short answer is yes. Uber AI Solutions is absolutely a legitimate platform backed by Uber Technologies, one of the largest technology companies in the world. This isn't an unknown startup that appeared overnight. It's an official Uber business that's expanding the company's AI data services beyond its own internal products. People have successfully completed projects and received payment through the platform, so there is no question that the work itself is real. However, I also want to give you the full picture because there have been some concerns raised recently. A recent article highlighted that while some contractors praised the pay and flexibility of Uber AI projects, others described the work as unpredictable. The article explained that contributors sometimes experience projects ending unexpectedly, fluctuating workloads, and uncertainty about future assignments. In other words, the platform offers legitimate work, but it doesn't necessarily provide stable or consistent income. That's something we've also seen with many other AI training companies.
Also, if you are simply looking for a remote job that you can do from anywhere in the world on your time, on your schedule, then I definitely recommend checking out FlexJobs. FlexJobs is the #1 site to find remote jobs. There's no ads, scams, or junk. They actually have a team of people that go through each job and make sure that they're not scammy or that they're actually legitimate. And from my experience so far, they really are one of the better websites to check out because they specifically are focusing on just remote jobs that you could do at home. So I've recommended them before. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely do. I have a link in the description to do that.
Now let's talk about how to sign up. The process is fairly straightforward. You create an account, complete your profile, and verify your identity using a government-issued ID. Depending on the type of work you're interested in, you may also complete skill assessments. For example, if you're applying for translation work, you might complete a short language assessment to demonstrate your proficiency. Once you're approved, you can browse available opportunities that match your skills and decide which ones you'd like to complete. Payments are scheduled weekly for approved work. One thing that's nice is that the platform tells you the project requirements and expected compensation before you accept the work, making it easier to decide whether a particular opportunity is worth your time. Now let's talk about reviews and overall user feedback. On the positive side, many contributors like the fact that the platform is backed by Uber. Some users say the interface is modern, the onboarding process is straightforward, and the opportunity to work on projects connected to major AI companies is exciting. Others appreciate that project information and estimated pay are presented up front before accepting work. On the downside, some contributors have reported inconsistent project availability, payment delays, and communication issues. A few workers described needing multiple follow-ups before payment issues were resolved, while others said that project rates changed during assignments or that support responses were slower than expected. The overall consensus seems to be that Uber AI Solutions is a legitimate platform with real earning opportunities, but because it's still expanding, contributors may experience growing pains similar to what we've seen with other newer AI training platforms. So is Uber AI Solutions worth it? I think it definitely has potential. It's backed by one of the biggest technology companies in the world, it's focused on one of the fastest growing industries right now, and it's creating new opportunities for people to earn money online using their existing skills. That said, it's still a relatively new platform, and there are clearly some growing pains as Uber expands into the AI services market. If you decide to sign up, go in with realistic expectations. View it as another tool in your side income toolbox rather than your only source of income. If you've worked with Uber AI Solutions, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. And if you're exploring different ways to earn money online, I hope this video helped you understand exactly what the platform offers and whether it's worth checking out.
And if you found this content valuable, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.